Hello viewers, welcome to BotPenguin. In this video, we will discuss how can you use if-else chat component. So, the if-else chat component in BotPenguin allows you to create conversational flows that branch based on user input or other conditions. To access the if-else chat component, you have to log in to your BotPenguin account. Once you log in, you will land on this page. On the left hand side, you'll find different options. You have to go to the bots option and you have to select the bot in which you want to add the if-else chat component. For the demo purpose, I am using this website bot. Then you have to go to the edit your chat flow section and you have to select the flow in which you want to add that component. This is the edit your chat flow section where you can create or reorder your chat flow. On the left hand side, you'll find the list of all the components. You'll find the if-else chat component in the trigger action section. To add this component into your chat flow, you have to simply tap on it. After that, you can set up the condition. You just have to click on this option and you can define the conditions under which the flow will branch. For example, you can select visitor response. This will check if the user response matches specific keywords. Similarly, you can use the custom attribute, and in the similar way, you can use contact property, chat property or team availability. For the demo purpose, I am using visitor response here. Then you can select the condition if it should be equal, not equal, and you will find many options here. So you can select according to your need. And here you can add the value. For example, if I enter yes here, so if the visitor response is equal to yes, then this condition will follow. That means you can create the if branch for primary condition. For example, if the user says yes, the chatbot provides more details. And then you can add or condition from this option. Here I am adding the value that is no. So if the user says no, the chatbot offers alternate options. You can also add more or conditions from here and then you can connect this if-else branch to the next message from this option. For example, you can set such a message in which you can set responses specific to the condition. For example, if I am building a chatbot for an e-commerce site and before this if-else branch, I have added a question that says, are you looking for men's or women's clothing? And then I add a if condition where the user replies with men. Then for the response, that means in the next message, I can show our collection for men. And similarly, in the else condition, if the user replies with women, then I'll connect a message in which I'll show our collection for women. So this is how, by using the if-else component, you can create a tailored and dynamic conversations for your users. So that was all about the use of if-else chat component on the BotPenguin platform. If you have any doubts, you can refer to the help documentation of the BotPenguin. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.